Hey y'all, so today I am making the cutest Easter dessert ever. And so I'm starting with a whole bunch of Peeps, both the Peep chick ones and the Peep bunnies, which are perfect for Easter. They always seem to come out with like different flavors and different shapes for Peeps, but for Easter it's kind of traditional to have these like chick shaped ones as well as the bunny ones. I promise this is like the cutest dessert to take to any Easter brunch party ever. I know Peeps can be kind of controversial, but for like a dessert like this for Easter, it's just so pretty not to take. And then I'm adding half a bag of shredded coconut, which is great because it kind of looks like Easter grass. And to that, we're going to be adding 1 box of, this is white chocolate jello. To that, we're adding 1 can of crushed pineapple that we've drained all the liquid out of. This is like the best Easter dessert because it's just so pretty. It's very springtimey. And then our final ingredient is 1 tub of Cool Whip. And that whole tub just gets scooped right on in. Okay, so once that's all in, we're just going to give everything a really good stir. Then once that's all kind of mixed together, just give everything a quick wipe down on the sides just to make it look presentable and pretty. And once you have it all cleaned up like that, we're gonna do some final decorations. Look at this, isn't this cute? Okay, so I have some leftover Peeps. I'm just gonna cut into they're all facing in. And then I've got these chocolate mini eggs, so that can just go right in the middle like that. And look, we've got the cutest little Easter dessert ever.